With all of that types of analysis, no, by the way, no, just to recap, alam na natin kung ano yung type of trading that would probably suit you best, no? And then you try to make a strategy, no, that accommodates that. So meron ka ng technical strategy, fundamental sentiment if you want to add those to your trading style, no? Now, from there, tandaan po natin that you need three things, no, in order to be consistently profitable. Number one is strategy. Napag-usapan na natin yung mga yon. But the next ones are also equally important. So, meron po tayo dyan, risk management and trading psychology. So, let me just give you a couple of tips and tricks, no, with risk management and trading psychology. Unang-una, no, yung risk natin, ideally, no, kasi unang dating mo sa market, inisip mo 1 to 2% risk is a good and acceptable amount. That actually depends. No? Bakit? Kasi kung long-term yung trading mo, you can actually have higher risk. For example, you can go up to 3, 4, or even 5% risk. Kasi kung yung trade mo naman magra-run for like a couple of weeks or a couple of months, then it's okay to risk 5%. No? Lalo pag ilang buwan mo hayaan yan. Kung ilang linggo, 3, 4%, that's okay. No problem. But if you're doing medium-term trades, sabihin natin 1 week, 2 weeks, no? Baka masyadong mataas yung 3, 4%, no? Baka gusto mong baba na sa mga 1 to 2%. That would be very acceptable. Kasi syempre kapag long-term trades yung ginagawa mo, iilan lang din yung trades mo. Hindi mo naman lahat bubuksan eh. Mga 2, 3 lang. Okay lang kahit mataas. Pero kung titignan mo naman yung medium-term trades, no? Let's say you have like 2 or 3 trades in a week or 2, syempre tumataas yung risk appetite mo ng ganyan. So you have to lower it to around 1 to 2%. Ngayon, kung nag-trade ka naman ng short term, sabihin natin intraday trading, then you should actually trade lower than 1%. Dapat mga 0.5% lang yung trade mo dyan. Lalo pag nagsascalp ka, dapat maliit na maliit lang. Okay? So, together with that percent risk, no, sa kada trade na ginagawa mo, meron ka ding dapat maximum loss cap per day, per week, or per month, depende sa gusto nyo. Sabihin natin, pag naglo-long term trading ka, then dapat per month meron ka lang maximum loss cap. Sabihin natin, pag umabot ka na ng 5% loss sa isang buwan, no? Or sabihin natin, umabot ka ng, masyadong mataas yung 10%, my opinion. Pero sabihin natin, maliit lang account mo, 10% risk ka lang per month, then yun na yun, no? Pag umabot ka na ng 10%, cut mo na yung trades mo, next month ka na dapat titingin, no? So, it prevents you from revenge trading. Kasi, syempre, nakakainis eh. Kapag natalo ka sa market, gusto mong bawian, you might be trading outside of your plan already. No? And that happens a lot. So, kailangan meron kang maximum loss cap. Pag ganyan, get out of the charts, come back next week, no? Huwag ka muna mag-trade. Or it could be per week, no? Lalo for short-term traders, no? To swing traders. Kanwari, sa isang linggo, maximum 3-4% lang ang loss cap mo. Pwede na yun. No? For intraday trading, dapat mga 1%, no? 2%. Laki na nga yung 2%, so totoo lang. Per day yung loss mo lang. No? So that you have, you can control yourself a little easier. Okay? And next one is, whenever you put money in, tandaan po natin, you should be emotionally unattached to your capital. So for example, your capital is $500, no? Depende po kasi sa inyo kung malaki yun or hindi. No? It's relative to a person. For some people, $500 is very small. No? Sabihin nga nila, kahit $5,000, kaya nila, walang problema. No? They feel unemotionally attached to that because it's easy for them to get that much money. But for some people, hindi ganun kadali. No? Sabihin natin, $500, that's just enough. No? Kumbaga, that's extra money. You don't have any attachment to it. Kung matalo mo yan, okay lang. But for some people, masyadong malaki $500. Yung iba, mas komportable, $100 na. That's okay. Walang problema. Basta kung saan kayo komportable. No? It doesn't matter the amount. The important part is you should be emotionally unattached to that capital. Na kapag nawala yun, okay lang. Hindi ka apektado. Huwag yan yung tipong kapital ng inutang mo. Never do that. Okay? Or yung kapital na pang tuition ng anak mo. Or pangbayad niyo sa kuryente, pangbayad niyo sa bahay. Never ever do that. Okay? So, kailangan it should be unattached capital because if you're attached to that capital, mako-compromise yung trading plan. Wala ka sa tamang isip pag okay? And you're just risking your money. No? You're exposing your money to a lot of risk if you do that. Okay? Next is, you already made the plan earlier in the series. So, you have to follow it. Meron kang specific set of rules on how to analyze the market, how to enter, and how to exit the market. Kailangan specific yan at kailangan sumunod tayo doon. Bakit? Kasi kapag sumusunod ka sa trading plan mo, magkakaroon ka ng results. At yung results na yun, if you compile it together, then you can identify if it's working or if it's not. You can adjust it, you can improve it, make it better. No? Kung labo-labo yung ginagawa mo sa trading mo, hindi mo ma-adjust yan. Kung laging impulsive yung mga ginagawa mo, hindi mo ma-adjust yan. Hindi mo mapapaganda. Okay? So you need to do something very specific for a long period of time. You need to test it out so you can improve it. Okay? So kailangan may set of specific rules ka. Okay? And the best way for you to track that is with your trading journal. Okay? So, mamaya titingnan natin kung paano tayo gagawa ng trading journal. Okay? So, you can make it very complicated or not. It's really up to you. No? And with that, no, you adjust along the way. So, here's a sample no, ng ating trading journal. Okay? All right. So, you have here a very simple journal. Again, you can make it more complex or you can make it as simple as this one. It's up to you. Ang suggestion ko, something that would be easy for you. Kasi yung mga ibang tao, gusto nila yung talaga nitty-gritty details. Okay yun. Kung kaya nyo gawin consistently and it doesn't bother you, that's great if you're happy with that. But for people na hindi ganun ka madetalye, no, okay lang sa kanila yung simple, no, okay lang din yun. The simpler, the better. No? Something that's easy for you. So for me, here's a good example of that. No? So sabihin natin, meron ka dito anong pair yung tinitrade mo, anong time frame, no, at binibili mo ba or binibenta mo. For example, in our first entry here for the month of January, sabihin natin, no, bumili tayo ng Euro USD sa H1 chart, no? Tapos January 5 yung entry mo, no? And what's the reason, no, for entry? Sabihin natin sunod sa trading plan. Sabi ng trading plan ko, bili ako diyan, then go ahead. I bought it. Kasi lagay mo diyan, opening price, take profit, stop loss, no, saan mo pinasok yung presyo. Sabihin natin we entered at 1.1000, huh? And then yung take profit ko is 50 pips up and my stop loss is 30 pips down. Okay? And then pag natapos na yung trade, no, edit mo yung entry mo, sabihin natin ano yung result. Result is 50 pips. Okay? Bakit ka nagkaroon ng 50 pips? Because my TP was hit. No? What's the reason for exit? And personal notes. Sinunod ko yung plano ko. Okay? And then, may pinasok ka pa isa pang entry. No? Sabihin natin, nag-sell tayo ng Euro USD sa H1 chart. No? Same date. And then, what's the reason for entry? No? My reason is that sabi nung kaibigan ko, buy daw ako. Sabi nung kaibigan ko, sell daw ako. Okay? So, is that part of your trading plan? Not really. No? Pero isulat mo. Lagay mo dyan. No? Or sabihin natin, na-feel mo lang. No? It's a gut feel. No? Lagay mo dyan, gut feel. Okay? Lagay mo dyan again, opening price, take profit, stop loss, your results. Sabihin natin, minus 20 pips, minus 30 pips, whatever there. No? Kahit profit, lagay mo dyan. No? So, lagay mo, what's the reason for exit, stop loss? Or sabihin natin, sinara mo na maga, kinabahan ako. Na-tense ako or whatever. No? I heard a particular news, so I exited early. And then you put some personal notes there. No? Well, personal notes, not really part of the plan. It's more of an impulsive trade. Okay? So, you track your trading with that type of journal. Okay? Tapos from there, makikita mo na agad ano yung result mo for the month, ano yung result mo for the week. No? Pansin mo sa personal notes mo, wait, parang ang dami ko yatang impulsive trades. No? Or sabihin natin, sa lahat ng notes ko, parang lahat naman sinunod ko sa plano pero hindi gumagana. Bakit kaya? So from there, you can easily adjust. Okay? You can make this a little bit more complex if you like. Sabihin natin, pwede ka mag-attach ng mga screenshots. Anong itsura ng market ng pag-entry mo, no? Itsura ng market ng pag-exit mo. Kasi minsan, pagtingin mo, di ba, yung after the fact na, sabihin mo, bakit ko ba ito pinasok? No? Ang pangit-pangit na market, bakit ako nag-enter? Tingnan mo yung itsura ng market bago ka pumasok, no? Sabihin natin, uy, maganda pala yung market nun. It was actually a pretty good trade. Sabihin natin, pangit talaga yung market, no? Bakit ba talaga pinasok? Then you can adjust it later on. Okay? So, your trading journal is going to be very important because this will increase the chances, no, of you getting better very quickly in the market. Madaling ba identify kung ano yung problema kung nila-lockdown mo dyan. And again, you have to make it very simple kasi baka mamaya, sa simula mo lang gawin yung trading journal, mamaya tatamarin ka na. So make it very easy for you para matrack mo talaga yung trading. Right? So, I guess that's pretty much it. No? Hopefully, this series has made it much easier for everyone, no? Na gumawa ng sarili nating mga trading plan, and From there, pwede nyo na isa-isahin, no? You can already build your trading plan, you can already adjust it, and then later, you can test it out. Okay? So hopefully this series has helped us, no? In our trading career. And again, if hindi pa kayo naka-like and subscribe, make sure that you do so that we can make more of these videos. And don't forget na pwede po kayo sumali sa ating Discord group ng PAFTI kasi nandun po lahat ng mga trade ideas natin. All the resources are there, so make sure that you join us. No? Anyway, thank you everyone, and I will see you guys on our next video. Bye-bye.